Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Supreme Learning Academy. This is SSLC Science Important Questions with Answers. So last minute preparation. Before we start, if you are new to my channel, go subscribe the channel and share to friends, and don't forget to hit the like button. So let's get started. List the changes that takes place during chemical reactions. The answer is change in color, evolution of gas, change in temperature and change in state. Try to write point wise. So next come to difference between chemical combination and chemical decomposition. Then difference between endothermic reaction and exothermic reaction. Mention 3 types of decomposition reaction with an example. Next one, difference between displacement reaction and double displacement reaction. Oxidation and reduction. Identify the reactant that is oxidized and reactant that is reduced in this reaction. Then define corrosion. Give an example. State ways to prevent the rusting of iron. Then what is rancidity? Then oil and fat containing food items are flushed with nitrogen. Why? Then how do blue and red litmus paper help to determine the nature of acids and base? Then what is neutralization reaction? Give an example. While diluting an acid, why it is recommended that acid should be added to the water, not water to the acid? These are all the important questions. Very important questions. Just understand the questions. You can answer all the questions. So I'm not going to read the question and answers because video will become more longer. So just take screenshot and read out if you want. Some more passing packages are already uploaded. Check that also. After this, important question papers I am going to upload with answers. How students have answered, how you have to answer in your answer paper. I'll upload next video. We just prepare for this. These are all the very important questions. 100% questions. These are all. Difference between metals and non-metals. Sodium, potassium and lithium are stored under oil. Give an example. Calcium and magnesium metal float when they react with water. These are all the key reasons. What is calcination and roasting? Dot structures. Thermite reaction. Alloy, constraint metal and special property of that alloy. So these are all very important questions. Dot structure. What is double circulation? Blood goes through the heart twice during each cycle. So this is called double circulation. Difference between xylem and phloem. So these are all the important questions with answers. Just understand the question and get ready for that question, because if they ask twisted question also, you can able to answer that question. Difference between biodegradable substances and non-biodegradable substances. Define magnetic field. So these are all the very important questions. Take screenshots if you want. What is self-pollination and cross-pollination? If they ask difference, if they are definition, both are same answers. If you read this much, with that you have to practice diagram also. Including this and diagram, you can score above 60 to 70 marks. What are the changes that occur in flower after fertilization? Name sexually transmitted diseases. What are the different methods of contraception? Write the mirror and lens formula. So these are all the important questions with answers. Practice these questions. After this, I am going to upload how to answer question paper in writing. How much you have to write for 3 marks, 2 marks and 1 marks. Stay tuned, and if you are new to the channel, go subscribe the channel and share it to friends.